All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the trade I took today. If it loads, is this shit still lagging? Why is this shit still lagging? I literally reset the app and it's still lagging. Anyways, yeah, this is the trade I took today. I took a small loss, nothing major. I think it was like around 230 bucks. So we're still up on the week, a good 3 point, what is that now? 3.3K, something like that. You can see the entry, exit, whatever. But yeah, I had to give back some profit to the market makers, or the people. You know who I'm talking about. I'm not gonna say it here. I'm not trying to get canceled. But anyways, coming into the market or coming into the day, is this high drawings? Yeah, coming into the day, absolute ripping. 1 hour bullish, 4 hours bullish. If we pull up the sessions right here, you can just see we're ripping. We had highs up here from yesterday, highs up here that I thought we were going to take out. And then on the 4 hour, we have this bullish gap right here. Same thing on ES, just ripping up. 4 hours bullish. We're disrespecting these bearish for value gaps. So order flow is bullish. 4 hour bullish gap, 1 hour bullish gap, break a structure on the 1 hour to the upside. I mean, shit, it was clearly a bullish day, right? So let me put these drawings back up. So coming into the day, boom. So we were already taking out these highs right here. We were taking out these highs during pre-market, and then we had these highs as well. So market opens, we had already taken out these highs, and I'm like, all right, well, I want to see a little bit of a retrace down, right? Maybe some manipulation of 5-minute lows. We also had this 15-minute gap. If I can just remove this and I can just put it back up. So we had this 15-minute gap as well. So we swept this low out, filled this 15-minute gap. Here, I'll pull it up. This 15-minute gap. ES was a little bit lagging. We were playing in this 5-minute gap. And then we have this low here, this 8 a.m. low. So we also had that SMT right here. So from boom up to here, and then that same low, boom, down to here. So boom, bullish SMT. And initially my bias was long, right? But just with the selling pressure, I was like, you know what? If NQ does decide to disrespect this 15-minute gap, I'll go short and target this 4 hour or 1 hour imbalance, whatever you want to call it, because it's the start of it. You can see, boom, right here. So yeah, I was like, if we invalidate that gap, it's a clear sign that we'll go lower. I had break even right here as well if we were going to go short, but that never ended happening. What the fuck? That did not end up happening. We actually filled this gap completely, came up, had this 5-minute bearish for value gap. I was like, all right, bet. So we have that SMT. We have that bullish SMT. I was like, if we inverse this bearish for value gap, we should go higher, taking out these highs. We inversed it. Boom. I went long. Went long up here. Small risk. Stop loss was just under this 15-minute gap, just in case. And then take profit was all the way up here. I would have had break even somewhere around here. I believe it was like somewhere around here was like my break even, but we never even got up to it. So I went long, and then we decided to come down, disrespect that gap, which made no sense. Yeah, disrespect that gap, start pushing back up, retracing, and I don't know, dude. I honestly don't know what happened today. I guess they didn't have a set bias, and that's why the market was just consolidating, even though it's a Thursday. So yeah, I got stopped out. We also formed, and then like right when this candle closed at 8:45, we also formed a bearish SMT from this high up to this high on ES, this high down to this high. So I think we're back to dual SMTs from boom, 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 boom. Like it makes no sense. But yeah, I'm fine with this trade. I mean, everything I wanted to see happened. Like we filled. It was mainly a continuation trade just because we were ripping during pre-market and London session. So there's no reason to manipulate these lows and then proceed to come up. I mean, if we got more legs down filling this gap, I mean, it would have been a clear sign that we wanted to rip higher. But I was just honestly looking for a slight manipulation of like lows, probably filling like another imbalance right here, and then we rip up, which we got. And I mean, the trade just didn't play out. I mean, it is what it is. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching the trade recap. I'm gonna go shower and then go hit the gym. I let me see for news. FX replay or fucking FX replay, Forex Factory. Tomorrow we have no news. So I'll definitely be looking for a trade. I'm not gonna risk a lot again. I want to limit my risk. I've been risking a lot the past. I would say the past month. I know I didn't trade December, but like beginning of January, dude, I lost like 1.5K, and that just hurt. So I'm limiting the risk with either tighter stop losses or just in general. I won't be going in with fucking 24 contracts because that fucking sucks. I mean, yesterday I went with 10 contracts, bro. Yesterday I risked like $500 and I made $1,800. So that's the type of shit I'm looking for. And I was like a once a three. So, but yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching the for this trade recap. If you haven't subscribed, go follow the Instagram, go follow the TikTok. And also, if you haven't, join Traders Corner. Best free. We literally have a free version where you can join Traders Corner. Let's see. I don't know if this shit's going to work, but I don't know if you guys can see it. But we literally have a base access completely free. Post your trade ideas, post your P&L, flex on people. And yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I trade next.